If websites are loading strangely, pages look outdated, or Chrome feels a little sluggish, clearing the cache can often help. In this guide, I'll show you how to clear Chrome cache safely without removing more data than you want. First, open Google Chrome and look in the top right corner. Click the 3 vertical dots to open the main browser menu. Next, move your cursor over More Tools, then select Clear Browsing Data. This opens the window where you can remove cached files, cookies, browsing history, and other saved browser data. For a faster method, you can also press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together on Windows. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. Yeah, both shortcuts open the same Clear Browsing Data window. Inside the Basic tab, start with the Time Range menu at the top. You can clear data from the last hour, the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, the last 4 weeks, or all time. To clear only the cache, make sure Cached Images and Files is selected. If you want to stay signed into websites, leave cookies and other site data unchecked. And if you want to keep your browsing history, leave Browsing History unchecked too. Now click Clear Data. Chrome will remove the temporary files it has saved from websites. Depending on how much cache is stored, this may take a few seconds. Once the window closes, return to the website you were having trouble with and refresh the page. You can click the reload icon or press Ctrl and R on Windows. On a Mac, press Command and R if one specific website is the problem. You may not need to clear everything. Open that site, click the icon to the left of the web address, then open Site Settings. From there, you can clear data just for that website, and that is how to clear Chrome cache. It is a quick fix for many loading and display problems, and you can choose exactly how much browser data to remove. Thanks for watching.